973, the source code is right fucking here for you. Let's get going. We're on the fast code review. In top level constant macros, we have these AR9 enumerations. AR9 equaling 0 to 8 inclusive, and this is fucking wrong because it's out of bounds. Hunk vector enumerations, constant hunk vector of which there are 4. Top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right, iterated in scan line order. We're not going to use E for enumeration. That's fucking wrong. Let's move down here. Types by system. In the new hunk vector constructor inside of our anonymous object right here, we've added members vector, the room index, the data pixel index of the origin, right? So this origin right here, where's the backing texture pixel? Where's the backing texel? Well, it's right here. Okay, the next section, data by system. In the hunk ring data section, we have a mutable table, data hunk ring, the hunk vector enumeration to the AR9 value. It has 4 values that cannot be negative, and they're very small, so they're unsigned 8 bits. Okay, hunk tetrad. Draw tetrad function inside of here. I thought I was going to put stuff here. I'm not going to. We'll do this in another video. Okay, next section, hunk ring section. So right here, we're going to take a ring-shaped explosion at this address and turn it into a hunk tetrad. Here's our output hunk tetrad. And if we go down here, right beneath make wireframe, we have room index pre-calculations. We are going to mix and match these different adjacencies, which can be -1, 0, or +1, to create the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right signed adjacent room X and Y values. Then once we have these values for the 4 corners, we're going to add 1 to convert them into the range 0, 1, or 2 to get the AX3, AY3 value for top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Once we have these, we can do a formula right here to convert them into a one-dimensional index known as an AR9 adjacent room, of which there are 9, 0 to 8 inclusive, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Then we're going to shove those things into a motherfucking lookup table right here. So you see that HV4 is going in, and then the AR9 is going out, and you can see that these match here directly, okay? And then we're going to loop through each vector index, and then we're going to use this lookup table to get out the adjacent room, and then we'll do more with this in another fucking video. Down here, we got a list of Gothic industrial bands, and that's it. So if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. I have no fucking time up here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. You need to like and subscribe.